Hello and welcome to this online journey for functional skills from a centre point of view.
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to register learners for an online assessment for functional skills. Once you've logged into QuartzWeb, you'll need to register your learners. To do this, you'll click into Actions and then into e-registration submission. Here, you'll input the name of the qualification. For online, always ensure that it says online at the front. And then, once you're happy, click Continue.
The run start date and time entered must be the time of the planned assessment, as this will be used for the assessment schedule by NOCN.
You can also input the provider reference. This is a reference for this cohort of learners. And the purchase order number. If you do not have this, you can input your initials. You will need to input the site that the qualification was being delivered and the delivery site, and then the name of the tutor who delivered the qualification. Further down, where it says click here for a standard e-registration submission form as an Excel file, which you'll open. Enable editing, and then completing the boxes. The mandatory boxes have the stars with them. For example, the surname, forename, date of birth, postcode, and gender. The gender option is in a drop-down box. If you would like to complete any further boxes, they have a drop-down with codes. To view what them codes mean, they're in the next tab along. And once you're happy, you can then save this document. And then click Continue and close this file. Then upload the file by clicking on Select File, clicking on the Excel sheet and then Open. Here you will then see a preview of all of the information that you have inputted. You will just see the first 20 lines of the file. If you would like to make any changes, you can click Amend, and if you're happy, you can click Continue. This will then give you an overview of all of the information you've inputted. If you would like to amend, click Amend, and if you're happy, click Submit. This will give you a Run ID number. Make note of that for later. On the day of the assessment, you will need to unlock the assessment. Do this by going on to the NOCN Hub, typing in your email address and your password, and then log in. This has a 2FA, meaning we'll send you a code to your email address that you will input. Once you're then logged in, you'll scroll to your learner's dashboard and click here, and then into Launch Monitoring Dashboard. From here, you'll use the drop-down option to find the name of the assessment that you're looking for. Once you have found the name of your assessment, you'll click into Launch. To unlock the exam, you'll click Unlock Exam. You can search for the candidate's name and then click Search. Next to the learner's name, there'll be a tick box. Tick in the box and then input a Y to evidence that you've seen their identification. You'll be able to scroll down and click Approve. This will then inform you that the learner's assessment can now take place and that the assessment has been unlocked.
To access results. Results will be available within 6 working days unless communicated to you otherwise. Centres can access results for online assessments by going into QuartzWeb, searching for the Run ID number, selecting Run Documentation, and under View Documents, you'll be able to download the Statement of Results. This will show you the results, for example, pass or fail, together with the score achieved. Feedback reports. Centres receive a free of charge feedback report for any learners who are not successful in their assessment. Feedback reports highlight some of the areas where a learner has performed weaker in their assessment. Centres can access results for online assessments by going into QuartzWeb, searching for the Run ID number, selecting Run Documentation, and under View Documents, you'll be able to download the report. Here we have some further support and useful contact details. Thank you for your time.